So Christmas is over, and you need to take down that tree and put all those ornaments away. So I have an ornament storage box that I'm going to review here. I decided that I needed something other than just a moving box. Pretty much is what I always kept all my Christmas stuff in. So this year, I've decided that I'm going to get everything nice and organized. And this one is supposed to be really large, holds a lot of ornaments with three different compartments. It also has dividers within those compartments where you can put several ornaments in each one. When you get everything open, you got this bottom that you'll put in to help reinforce it, kind of like a fabric file cabinet or maybe like a wagon or something like that. And then we also have some Velcro dividers, which will divide it into the three spaces. And you can see on that far end where there's a strip of Velcro, which is also on this other end. And then you'll have these cardboard dividers, which you'll put together. You'll have three of the longer ones, and then you'll have a couple of the short ones as well, four of them. And then you'll have another piece of cardboard that you put down, which will give you room to do a second layer on all of them. Then once everything's put together, this is what we're looking at. We got two stacks of them, and then everything will zip right up into a nice little box. There we go. So now I'll head upstairs and get this loaded up and take down the tree. Just a quick reference, I believe this is about a 7 foot tall tree, and the ornaments that are on it. It should be able to fit at least all of these. Then with all the ornaments loaded up, here we are. I did leave one divider thing out just to put some of the larger ones in over here. And the bottom tray, you could fit a few more as well. And then I doubled up a couple of them like on the really small ones. But overall, really nice storage compartment to save all your ornaments in. I really like this compared to a box.